In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate photo in Kling AI. By the end, you'll turn a single still image into a short, polished motion clip using Kling's image-to-video tool without touching a timeline or keyframes. Open your browser and head to the Kling AI website. On the homepage, select Sign In. The quickest way is to use your Google account, so click Sign In with Google. When the Google account chooser appears, pick your account and then continue to grant the necessary access. If you see a consent screen, just confirm it. You'll be redirected back into Kling, ready to work. Inside the app, look for the navigation and choose Assets. Then go to the Upload section. This is your library of files that are already in your workspace. Find the photo you want to animate and click it to open its details. Choosing a clear, high-resolution image with a defined subject, like a portrait or a product against a clean background, usually produces the most natural motion. With the image open, select Generate Video. This takes you into Kling's image-to-video workspace. In the prompt field, describe the movement and style you want to see. Be specific but concise. Mention the subject, the type of motion, and the overall feel, such as gentle camera push-in, subtle hair flutter, cinematic lighting, soft depth of field. Avoid asking for scene changes or brand new objects because the tool animates the content that's already in your frame rather than rebuilding it from scratch. If you're aiming for realism, keep your instructions simple and focused. For more stylized results, you can lean into mood and lighting terms. Next, set the duration. You can choose 5 or 10 seconds. 5 seconds is great for quick, snappy loops on social platforms, while 10 seconds gives you more time for slower, more cinematic motion. Pick the length that fits your use case and pacing. When everything looks good, click Generate. Kling will process your request and render the animation according to your prompt and chosen duration. Processing time can vary depending on server load, so give it a moment. When it's done, your animated clip will be ready to review. If the motion isn't quite what you had in mind, refine your prompt, simplify conflicting directions, focus on one movement at a time or try the alternate duration, and generate again until it matches your vision. That's the full workflow. Sign in, go to Assets, open Uploads, select your image, choose Generate Video, write a clear prompt, set 5 or 10 seconds, and generate. Have fun bringing your photos to life with smooth, controlled motion in Kling AI.